Welcome back to part 2 of the LEGO Star Wars devlog. We have a lot more things to show today. Let's see. I guess we'll start off with lightsabers. Okay, so I have the lightsaber right here. I've resized it a bit so it's a bit smaller and it fits nicer in the hand. But this avatar is kind of small, so it still looks a bit big, but it should be fine in the regular avatar. I don't know. But LEGO stuff's big anyways. You should see. Yeah, you should see how big they are in like a minifigure hand. So if I turn it on, you can see it turns on, it makes the sound. I don't think you can hear the sounds right now. Probably not recording audio, that's fine. And we also have the other color lightsabers. Let me grab them. Don't need this anymore. We got the red one and the blue one, and it's really easy to change the colors, so you can just make a bunch of random colors and it's fine. Let me just take, which one's the blue one? Okay, so I have the blue one right here. Now, lightsabers and stuff are really cool, but what about the blasters? Let's see. So I have a couple blasters. This is from the, where's that camera? Sorry. So this is from the newer Star Wars sets, the newer blasters. The firing's not correct. You can see the blaster bolts coming out vertically. That's not correct, so whatever. But then they have the more famous megaphone blasters. I really love this one. I figured out how to take models from Bricklink Studio and transfer them into Blender, and then in Blender I can clean them up and texture them and make them look pretty nice. So yeah, we have a blaster right here. It doesn't fire currently, but it would be pretty easy to make it fire. There's some text on it. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it on the stream cam, but it says on the trigger, it says, "So anyways, I started blasting." And yeah, I think that's everything with the with the megaphone blaster. That's fine. Is this the lightsaber I was using? Okay, so I have one more thing to show, and it's over this way. So let's go over to there. And if we go over here, you can see there's a little circle right here. This little pad right here. I just put a random image on it. But this is basically the training center. You just stand in it, and then you have a droid pop up that starts to shoot you. So let me just stand in here, and you can see there's a droid right here. Actually, it's kind of hard to capture this. Let me switch over to the regular camera view. I'm not regular. It's local. No. How do you turn on look at me? World? How do you do this? I totally forgot how to use this thing. Look at me. Okay, here we go. So we move this out. And now you should be able to see better. There's a training droid right here. And you can see it will fly around randomly in like a radius around me. And it shoots a blaster bolt. So I see I deflected that one. Oh, here you can actually see it this time, but I missed that. But yeah, it's gonna fly around you, and you can deflect the bolts with the lightsaber. And like it's like the training thing they do in the movie, whatever. But none of this is really part of the actual game I'm trying to make. This is more of a side thing, I guess. I'll make this into a separate thing, it'll be like the Vader Immortal training dojo, I guess. And then I can make the actual LEGO Star Wars 2 minigame. But yeah, this is what I have so far. I think it's pretty cool. Especially the lightsabers. I really love these things. They turned out so nice. And yeah, this turned out so nice. I'm gonna add a couple more lightsabers, probably a dual blade lightsaber, so you can have both ends. And then also Dooku's lightsaber, since they have a LEGO model for the blade. So I can just use that and that'll be fine. But yeah, that's what we have so far. I guess see you in the next one.